New camera, yay. Hi everyone, I'm Lauren Boucher. Today I'm gonna make fried elote corn. I saw it on TikTok, so I don't know. We'll see how it goes because it looked delicious. So first you need corn, everything but the elote seasoning, mayo, cornstarch, and some lime. Oh, you also need vegetable oil. I have a large frying pan. I have a large bowl for the corn to mix the corn with the cornstarch and a small bowl to make the little mayo and everything but the elote seasoning. So this is exciting. First, I'm going to set up the frying pan so it's ready to fry when we're ready to fry. I have canola oil, just pour it in. You want a good amount, but you're also gonna pour some on top. I'm gonna go turn this on. Next, I'm gonna strain the corn. Strain the corn in the bowl. Now, I don't know how much cornstarch should do, but definitely make sure all the corn is coated. Maybe like a 1/4 cup. Yes, I'm gonna do a little bit more. So that's another few tablespoons. So when they made it in the video, their corn was definitely not wet. This corn's a little wet, so it's, I mean, you can tell it's coated, but it doesn't look like white and powdery like it did in the video. Is this gonna be an issue? I don't know. I'm gonna throw a little more cornstarch on. Let me see if the oil's ready by putting one of these on. Okay, it is. Oh, shoot. So we are frying. Let's get this in. And be careful because it is hot. Trying to make it an even layer. No idea how long this needs to fry for. So it's been frying for almost 3 minutes. I'm gonna put a little more oil on the top. Okay, so it has been 10 minutes. Well, it's been actually like 12 minutes, but it's starting to get a little brown and stick together. Not fully, but you know, this is my first time. I don't really know what I'm doing. So I'm gonna turn this off and I'm gonna drain the liquid and get this on a pan. This looks so freaking good. It smells like popcorn a little bit. One side definitely crisped more than another side. I'm gonna put this on the side and make our sauce. I don't know how much sauce I'm gonna make because I'm obviously not gonna eat this whole thing. All right, 1 big scoop of mayo. Yeah, 1 big scoop of mayo. Then I'm just gonna cut this lime, a little bit of lime. If I had chives and cilantro, I would definitely put those on. Limey mayo, and I think I'm just gonna sprinkle the elote. This is what I'm gonna do. I got 1 bite. I'm gonna dip it in the mayo. Okay, so there's a little bit of mayo, and I call this elote seasoning, but I know elote means corn in Spanish, and it's everything but the elote, so I just call it elote for short because it is corn seasoning. But oh, I wish I had chives. This reminds me of barbecuing out back. I make this all the time when you grill the corn. Oh my god. The crunchy bites are unbelievable. I don't think I've ever had fried corn. Why is fried corn not a thing at the fair? Holy shit. I think my mistake was somehow the corn stuck to the bottom. You're supposed to dry the corn before you put the starch on. I actually looked at the recipe. You're supposed to put some rice flour in it as well. And then I think I needed more oil covering the corn. But here's a nice real crispy piece. Yeah, so mine didn't quite stick together like it should, but I just needed more oil. And obviously I'm not doing this the pretty way. I'm just eating it, but I mean, corn is one of my favorite foods, so apparently it has no nutritional value. But anyway, this is amazing. You should try it. You should do it way better than me. Use more oil. It takes about 10 minutes to fry. Definitely have cilantro, have chives on you, because I'm sure that would make it just, you know, pinch better. But yeah, this is freaking great. Thanks for watching. Go check out my videos if you haven't seen them. Bye-bye. Bro. It's unreal.